In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPS Office on Windows 10 11. This walkthrough is simple, clear, and perfect whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11 because the process is essentially the same on both. Start by opening your web browser on your Windows PC. In the address bar, go to the official WPS Office website. It's important to use the official site to make sure you're getting a safe, up-to-date installer. On the home page, look for the free download button. It's usually front and center and clearly labeled. Click free download and your browser will begin downloading the WPS Office installer file. Now wait for the download to finish. You can watch the progress in your browser's downloads area. The file size is reasonable, but the time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Once it's done, open the downloaded WPS Office installer file. If your browser shows it at the bottom or top bar, you can click it there. Otherwise, check your downloads folder. When you open the installer, Windows may display a permission prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is the standard user account control prompt. Click Yes to continue. The installer will launch and present the license terms. Take a moment to review them so you know what you're agreeing to. When you're ready, click Install Now. At this stage, the installer will download any required components and set up WPS Office on your computer. Keep your PC awake and connected to the internet, and avoid closing the installer while it's working. You'll see a progress indicator. This may take a few minutes depending on your connection and system performance. Once the installation completes, you'll see a prompt to start the app. Click Start Now. WPS Office will open and guide you through an initial screen. You may be asked to sign in to your WPS account. Signing in can sync your documents and settings across devices, but it's optional. If you prefer to explore first, you can skip the login and begin using the suite right away. That's it. You've successfully installed WPS Office on Windows 10 or 11. From here, you can create or open documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, and adjust settings to your preference. If you ever need to revisit these steps, just remember, download from the official site, run the installer, approve the permission prompt, click Install Now, then Start Now and sign in, or skip as you like. Enjoy your new Office suite.